Hey, what's up? This is Aliphia, and I am getting ready to go to work. I decided to do this sweet little beat on my face, at least that's what I'm going to call it, sweet little beat. Just basic look right before I go to work, and I just turned the camera on and decided to record. And so it's kind of like, to me, a little fall look. So if you would like to see how I do this look, then please continue to watch. But before you continue watching, make sure you have gone ahead and click that like button. And if you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe. And to everybody, if you have not clicked that bell for notifications when I upload, please do click that bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I've already done my brows and I have my eyes primed. And today, the two palettes, I'm actually going to use two palettes. And the two palettes that I'm going to use are the Perception and the Naked. What is this? Naked Heat palette? The Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So, today is October 31st, which is the last day for my Urban Decay rotation. Because if y'all recall, I said I use a whole collection for a month. And then I move on so that way I can use my other palettes. Now with the Shayla ColourPop, like I said, that wasn't a part of the Urban Decay rotation. However, with palettes like Influenster collab, so to speak, like I have the Shayla and I have the Missy, I kind of just rotate those. However, I use them randomly whenever I want to use them, so I don't put them in a particular rotation with the set. So that's how I'm using this one this morning. But the first color I'm going to use in my transition is Thick. So I'm going to use this color for my transition color.
Born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Ain't on the track, ain't on the track, ain't on the track. Ball outside of school when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, one little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie, open with your auntie. One little fight and my mom got scared. I said, open with your auntie and Uncle Bel Air. I begged them to with up to no good.
So for my brow bone highlight, I am going to use this color right here. It is called Unbothered. So next I'm going to go back into my crease again, but I'm going to use this color called Revenge. Okay, I'm going to darken my crease up a little bit, so I'm going to use this color called Ashes. Right here, Ashes, from this Urban Decay palette. Then for my crease, my lid color, even though I primed, I'm going to kind of put just a little bit more concealer on there because I'm not doing a cut crease, but I do want, while I'm not doing a cut crease, I do want this color that I put on my lid to kind of stand out. So I'm just going to kind of rub that in. Making sure I don't go up too high with the color because I don't want to go too far in my crease, like I said, because it's not a cut crease. I'm going to take this color right here. It's called Lumbre. I'm going to take this and put this all over my lid. So I went and finished my face. Well, not finished my face, but I put on my foundation and my powder, and now I am going to put on some eyeliner. I haven't been putting liner on my top lid to go to work. I don't know why, but I haven't. Even sometimes when I'm not going to work, I haven't been putting it on.
trap, ain't on the trap. Outside of school, when a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, and my mom got scared and said,
what I'm gonna do next is put some mascara on my top lashes, and if you've been following me, you know that I pretty much most of the time don't put any on my bottom lashes, and that's kind of gonna be the same thing today. Just gonna put them put it on my top lashes, and part of that is because of my eyes watering, because they water sometimes, but you know, and I'm not gonna put on any lashes. I'm just gonna put on this mascara, and I got this mascara. It's the Superhero mascara by It Cosmetics. I got this in a in my last BoxyCharm box, and I really do like it. I have a couple of brushes or whatever and stuff from It Cosmetics, but I don't have a lot from It Cosmetics. But I really do like this mascara. I'm not gonna lie, I like this mascara. So I'm actually gonna put a couple of coats of this mascara on my lashes. And like I said, I'm not going to put any on the bottom, on my bottom lashes. So now to finish my face, I am going to finish out my contouring. Do y'all hear my stomach? I am like so hungry. Totally off topic, has nothing to do with a makeup tutorial, but I have kind of, and you'll see that video before I even put this up, but rededicated myself to my weight loss journey. And for the past 3 days, I'm not even gonna lie, I've been doing bomb.com, and making sure that I don't eat too late at night is one of the things that I've been doing, and which means once I wake up in the morning, I am like super freaking duper hungry. And that's the case right now. I am so freaking hungry. So hungry. So my stomach is like doing the heebie-jeebies on me. Oh, I'm sorry. For my contour, I use the Black Radiance Contour Palette. And now I'm about to bronze a little bit with this Bronzed Amber from Becca. To highlight, I'm using the Prosecco Pop from Becca. This is kind of a champagne-y gold type color. I really like this color. I like all the highlighters I have from Becca pretty much. Yeah, I do. I like pretty much all of them. And a couple of them I've gotten in BoxyCharm boxes, which means I've pretty much gotten them free. I think that's what, yeah, I've gotten a couple of them in BoxyCharm boxes. Alright. And while this lipstick right here is not on my radar for this week, it's not a part of what I'm wearing this week, because this week pretty much all I've been wearing on my lips have been glosses. But I'm going to put this on today for this SweetBeat, so to speak. Going to set my face with my Morphe Continuous Spray Setting Spray. I like this. I hope you can get the trueness of this, true color of this look. Like I said to you guys, I am so playing around with these lights. I think the lighting, I think I have it just right this time. I think when I was doing my makeup, I had it at a, I know because I adjusted the lights, but while I was doing my makeup, I had it at a different, the light's a little different, but this is a work in progress, and it shouldn't take this long to be getting these lights adjusted, which means that I don't record enough. So I'm going to be recording more videos, more makeup things, because yeah, as a woman of a certain age, I know there's not a big audience for people of my age range out there, because most of the people that are making the makeup or doing the makeup routines are like 20s, maybe even early 30s and all that good jazz. And no, I am not going to say my age. I have some students that are very nosy, but if you've been following my channel for a while, then you would have an idea of my age. So with that being said, I do appreciate you for coming back to watch another one of my videos. I do hope you've had a great day and that you continue to have a great day regardless of what time I put this video up. And I do want to say, always remain positive no matter what the situation looks like, because I'm telling you, some things have just been, you know, sometimes people, you don't, it's a great thing when you don't look like what you're going through, or when you don't act like what you're going through. I don't know how this saying goes or whatever, because I'm not really good with some of those idioms and all that kind of good jazz, but I want to just say that I thank God that I don't look like some of the things that have been going on around me or in my life. So with that being said, thank you all so much for coming to watch another one of my videos. I do hope you all have a very, very blessed day and rest of your evening. Make sure you're safe out there in these good streets, and by the time this video goes up, I'm sure it'll be after the voting has taken place. So make sure that you go and vote, let your voice be heard and all that good jazz. I voted. I early voted. Yeah, I got it out of the way. Me and Bae went in and early voted. With that being said, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next video. Bye.